In November 2023, an incident occurred involving an F-16 fighter jet. The incident happened at an airbase in Southeast Asia. During routine operations, a weapons loader was being used near a parked F-16. The weapons loader malfunctioned. It collided with the fighter jet. The impact caused significant damage to the F-16. There was a fuel leak and a fire. The fire engulfed the weapons loader and the right side of the jet. The cost of repairs to the F-16 was estimated at $30 million. This incident is a reminder of the high cost of accidents involving military equipment. Thankfully, there were no major injuries. The incident is under investigation. The US Air Force is committed to preventing similar incidents in the future. They are reviewing safety procedures and training protocols. The investigation revealed a series of events that led to the accident. The weapons loader, known as a jammer, experienced a mechanical failure. The operator of the jammer was unable to stop the vehicle. The operator's failure to execute emergency shutdown procedures contributed to the collision. The operator was using a different model of jammer than usual. The two models had slightly different control layouts. The brake pedal was in a different location. This difference in equipment design likely contributed to the operator's confusion. The operator's lack of familiarity with the specific jammer model played a role in the accident. This highlights the importance of thorough equipment training. Military personnel must be familiar with all equipment variations. This familiarity is essential for safe and effective operations. The accident highlights the critical importance of standardization. Even small differences in equipment can have major consequences. In this case, the different jammer models had a significant impact. The placement of the brake pedal caused confusion. This confusion led to a delay in the operator's response. Military operations require precision and coordination. Standardized equipment is essential for this. When equipment varies, it introduces the possibility of error. These errors can have serious consequences. The incident emphasizes the need for rigorous maintenance. The jammer's mechanical failure suggests a potential maintenance issue. Military equipment must be meticulously maintained. Regular inspections and preventative maintenance are crucial. This ensures that equipment operates reliably and safely. Section 4. The importance of training and standardization. The incident underscores the need for comprehensive training programs. Military personnel must be thoroughly trained on all equipment. Training should include both standard procedures and emergency protocols. Simulations and drills can help personnel develop the skills needed to respond effectively in critical situations. Standardization of equipment across military units is essential. This reduces the risk of confusion and error. When personnel transition between bases or units, they should encounter familiar equipment. This familiarity improves operational efficiency and safety. Regular reviews of safety procedures are crucial. Procedures should be updated to reflect lessons learned from incidents. Continuous improvement in safety practices is essential. This ensures a safe working environment for all personnel. Section 5. A call for vigilance. The $30 million F-16 incident serves as a wake-up call. It highlights the importance of vigilance and meticulous attention to detail. Military operations demand a culture of safety. This culture must permeate all levels of operation. Complacency can have disastrous consequences. Even seemingly routine tasks must be approached with caution and diligence. A culture of safety requires constant reinforcement. It requires accountability at all levels. The incident should prompt a thorough review of safety practices. Training programs, maintenance protocols, and equipment standardization should be evaluated. The goal is to identify any gaps in safety procedures. These gaps must be addressed to prevent future incidents. The safety of personnel and the protection of valuable assets depend on it.